everybody, Dizzy Crafting again with yet another haul. I'm absolutely excited about this one though, if it's the parcel I think it is. Basically, if it is the parcel, I have never owned this item because it wasn't around when I used to craft, so let's get into it. Well, I've just seen the invoice and it isn't actually what I thought it was, but I'll still show you, and then when the actual thing comes what I was on about, then I'll do it and I'll just tag these together because this is more of an essential rather than something exciting really. And I got this off eBay. So basically it is just mount board. Back in the day when I used to craft, you got, what was it called now? Chipboard, that's it. But I'd spoken to my friend and I said like how much is like chipboard, because when I was looking on eBay it was actually quite expensive. And some of the eBay ones was quite expensive for this. But I can tell you I paid £22 and I actually got 100 sheets, which is just crazy. This was the cheapest I could find. And I went with 2 mil, was it 2000 or was it 2 mil? It's 3000 microns and no it's not. It's 1500 microns. And I feel like this is definitely going to be sturdy enough to make mini albums and cut through the die. I suppose you could go a little bit thicker, but to be honest, it's quite... So this package finally arrived, and this is the one I thought the other one was. So I'm excited. Well, I think it is, like I did think the other one was. Right, it is. I'm sorry. So this is what I got. It's the Memory Misti Most Incredible Stamp Tool Invented. These was not around when I used to do crafting years and years ago. My friend told me about it. There's lots of different ones of these on the market, but she said this is the best one to get, so I trust her judgment. So let's get it open. And it says My Sweet Petunia on there. Alright, that doesn't come off, so I hope that doesn't kind of make it wobbly then. Just a tiny bit, but that could be my vent. And you basically lift this up, I think. And you place your stamp here, and then you've got these guide papers, and then you've also got the foam mat. It says use thin foam insert for rubber and cling mounted stamps, use both inserts with polymer stamps. Alright, so you get two, and then there's the glass paper there. So you get two of those. I didn't actually realise you got those, so I did end up buying this one. I don't know if it's extra paper in there or is it just the marker on there. Alright, this is the same as one of those foam mats. In fact, it could be. Yeah, it looks like it's the same thickness as one of them. I think they're all the same, but this has actually got the plastic coating on it with the actual grid marker paper. So didn't really need to buy this because I bought this as well, thinking I needed that. But it'll always come in handy. It saves messing up that mat. I'm thinking, is that the magnet? But it just does not want to move. Because where's the magnets then? So it did come off, but the only reason I knew I got it off is because it stuck to my vent that's on my table. So I'm just going to place that in there, and straight away it's grabbing it. Doesn't matter where I put it, it's grabbing it. So that's really, really good. And it's easy to get off there as well. I don't understand why they didn't put it there in the first place. Let's see what it'd be like if we had all 3 foam mats on there. Yeah, still grabbing it. Obviously not as strong because it's 3 mats which you would never use. But you would use 2. So that's that, guys. And then to go with this, I got Misti Creative Corners, and this will help me keep things in the corners. So 2 chunky pieces. Just take them out. So yeah, so you get 2 of these with the magnets on, and they do clip on really well. Obviously you don't want to put them together, but it's so that you can place your paper down and get a nice straight corner. So let's see, you have your petunia one up here, keeping that nice and straight. This mat just keeps slipping everywhere though, but I guess because I've never used one before, it's just something I'm going to have to get used to, isn't it? Yeah, that's my Misti stamping mat. I will have a play about with it and hopefully I can get to grips with it. This is the 12x12 one. I know there's numerous sizes, but I went with this one. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and please comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.